Ready to unlock secure, seamless payments on your WordPress site? Let's integrate Stripe, the ultimate solution for accepting credit card payments online. First, we need to head to your WordPress dashboard, navigate to Plugins on the left-hand menu and click on Add New. In the search bar, type Stripe and hit Enter. You'll see official Stripe plugins appear. Look for the official Stripe for WooCommerce plugin if you're using that e-commerce platform, or a suitable Stripe payment gateway plugin for other needs. Once you find the right plugin, click the Install Now button. Wait a few moments for it to download and install. After installation, the button will change to Activate. Click it to enable the plugin on your website. You might see an activation confirmation. Now, locate the Stripe settings. This might be under your WooCommerce settings, or it could have its own menu item. Click on it to access the Stripe configuration. You'll need your Stripe API keys. Log into your Stripe account, navigate to Developers, then API keys. You'll find your publishable key and secret key. Copy these securely. Back in your WordPress site Stripe settings, paste your publishable key into the designated field and your secret key into its field. Be very careful not to share these keys publicly. Once your keys are entered, scroll down and click Save Changes. This connects your WordPress site directly to your Stripe account. And there you have it. Your website is now equipped to accept credit card payments through Stripe. Visit a product page or your checkout to test the integration. You should now see Stripe has a payment option ready to go.